And today I am here to share a quick and easy recipe for loaded deviled eggs. They are sure to be a hit with your family and friends, and they are simple to prepare. So let me show you what you're going to need. You're going to need some sour cream, cheddar cheese, chives, bacon, paprika, and eggs. So if you want to see how this all comes together, stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is boil my eggs. So I have my eggs covered with water. It's just over the top of the eggs. Then I also sprinkled some sea salt in my pot as well. Supposedly that makes it easier to peel the eggs. So I've got that in there. And what I normally do is bring my water to a boil. And once my water is boiling for a couple of minutes, I turn off the heat, I put the lid on top of the pot, I keep it on the burner, and then I just let the eggs sit for about 12 minutes. All right guys, so I prepared my boiled eggs exactly as I said I would, and I've already peeled them. I cut one open so that you guys could see the inside, and the shell slipped off with absolutely no problem. So what I'm getting ready to do next is to cut the other eggs in half, and then I'm gonna scoop out the yolks, and I'll show you the next step. Okay, so the first thing that I am going to do is to chop up my chives and bacon very finely. Now, grabbing my yolks, and I am just going to mash these with a fork, and going to add in my chives, and my bacon. And my cheese. You guys, this is so good and so simple to make. Okay, just combine that all together, and I am going to next add in my sour cream. And if I didn't mention it, I will be sure to link the recipe, of course, in the description box as always. All right, next it's time to stuff the eggs. Okay, so here are the deviled eggs. I sprinkled them with a little bit of paprika, and as you can see, they were so simple and easy to prepare. They are so delicious. I know they're gonna be a hit with your family and your friends. I'm gonna pop this in the refrigerator and let them chill. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, I certainly hope you'll do so. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.